Transform your sales process and close deals faster by mastering the art of creating compelling proposals in Pandadoc. Today, we're diving deep into Pandadoc to show you exactly how to build professional proposals that impress clients and drive results, all in under 90 seconds. First, let's create a new proposal. Navigate to your Pandadoc dashboard and click on the Create New Document button. You can choose to start from scratch, use a template, or upload an existing document. For this tutorial, we'll select a predesigned proposal template. This is a great way to maintain brand consistency and save time. Now, let's populate your proposal. On the left-hand side, you'll find a content library. Drag and drop content blocks like text, images, pricing tables, and videos directly into your proposal. Customize your text by using the formatting tools, and easily upload your company logo or product images to enhance visual appeal. For product or service offerings, the pricing table is essential. Simply add your items, quantities, and amounts. Pandadoc automatically calculates totals, taxes, and discounts. Leverage variables to personalize your proposal for each client. You can prefill client names, company names, and other key details, making your proposals feel bespoke. Once your proposal is looking fantastic, it's time to prepare it for client review. Navigate to the settings and ensure electronic signatures are enabled. You can define the signing order and add signing fields where needed. Finally, send your polished proposal directly to your client. They'll receive a secure link to review and sign electronically, streamlining the entire closing process. With Pandadoc, crafting impactful sales documents is now more efficient and effective than ever. Start creating your winning proposals today and watch your sales soar.